What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to set up Phocaine, which is an extension that gives you like quality of life features for different trading platforms. For example, it shows you DEX paid, just like in this case it shows the picture here. That's how you're gonna know if the DEX is being paid or not. They recently added support for the newest trading platform Axiom, and these are the features so far. I recommend setting DEX banner on because yeah, that's the option that's gonna show you the DEX paid picture on the different coins. To install Phocaine, just go to the link down below in the description, and yeah, just install it, add extension, and it should work out of the box pretty much. You can just tweak the settings as you like here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys want to use Axiom, I have a early access link in the description. It should release now or tomorrow, I don't know, depending on where I upload this video, but yeah, you can get access down below. And yeah, that's it for me guys, see you in the next one. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to join the Discord in the link below. We're trenching here every day. The VC is pretty active as well. We've got free giveaways, free wallets, and yeah, if you have any questions, just come and say hi. And yeah, that's it from me. See you in the next video.